Hey guys and girls, this is Atif and you're watching Moon 333 where I'm posting the different trading ideas on different assets and also educational stuff. If you're not following me, then do start follow for more beneficial and profitable trading ideas and educational videos. And guys, do remember that the information I'm providing here in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. Guys, this video has a very good news for the Bitcoin holders, the people who are holding the Bitcoin for the long term, and they're waiting for any kind of bull rally or bullish move from the Bitcoin, and the people who are the Bitcoin long-term traders. Cause in this video, I will prove you guys that the Bitcoin is gonna make a very big bullish move very soon. But first of all, in the starting of this video, I would like to thank you guys for your love and appreciation and encouragement which I received through the inbox messages of you guys on the Tradingview and on the different platforms. I was not expecting when I started posting my charts. I just posted my first chart, trading chart, almost 1.5 year back on the Tradingview in April 2018. I was not expecting such acceptance and love and appreciation from you. Thank you so much. When I started, I was with 0 followers on the TradingView, and now I have crossed more than 2,350 followers. And when I started my YouTube channel almost 6 months back, I was with the 0 subscribers, and now I have crossed more than 940 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. And I would like to also give some tribute to my mentors, Chris, Christine, and Sean Brooks. Unfortunately, I am not able to continue my work with you guys. I wish I would be able to do so, but this is a part of life. But you guys are awesome. These guys are not mentored in my trading ideas, but they helped me a lot how to improve my tonality of my voice, especially Trace, who taught me how I can transfer my energy, my facial expressions, even my body language to you guys through my voice to my videos and ideas to make my videos and ideas more effective. Thank you guys. I'll be thankful to you guys for the whole of my life. I'll miss you guys for the whole of my life. I love you a lot, and you guys are unforgettable, memorable. And definitely, I never forget the person who teaches me even a single word. And I have learned many things from you guys. Now let's move back to the topic of Bitcoin. And first of all, I would like to share with you guys my previous idea, which I shared in April 2019, when the people were so much skeptical about the Bitcoin. It was even touching the $3,200 or $3,300 at that time. And you can see the price action after hitting the $20,000, the price action was retraced up to 0.786 Fibonacci. That was the first click I've received that the price action will form a Gartley pattern. Therefore, I predicted with that move that the price action of Bitcoin is gonna make or form a Gartley pattern like this. I predicted that the price action will hit this area of 0.786 to 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci. After that, it will move up between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg, and after that, it will be dropped down again to form to complete the Gartley pattern in the area of 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci. Why I predicted it, this move of Bitcoin, I've used many patterns and the indicators as well. Uh, I would like to share some of the indicators and patterns with you guys. First, I've seen at that time in April 2019 that the price action retraced up to 0.786 Fibonacci. That is required for the Gartley patterns A to B leg. And after that, I've seen that the price action After getting retraced up to 0.786 Fibonacci, the price action was hitting with 50 simple moving average. And after hitting at the simple moving average with the time period of 50, the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence in April, even in March 2019, it was turning bullish. So it was another indication that the price action will be not able to break down this 50 moving average support. This is a really very strong support of 50 moving average on month chart. You can see this is the month chart. And after when we received the bullish signal from MACD, it was turning bullish. It was a strong bearish, and here in April 2019, it was turned weak bearish. Uh, we have also received a bull cross in March 2019 from stochastic. It was in oversold zone and it has given bull cross in March 2019. This was another indication which gave me the indication that confirmation that the price action will be moved up from here. And because the price action was retraced up to 0.786 Fibonacci, therefore in advance I just predicted that the move will be gartley like this, and it will be again moved here. And I'm just playing idea. Then you can see how my prediction was fulfilled, and the price action moved up between 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci, which was expected $10,228 to $18,225. And if we see, this is here you can see the highest price when I'll place the cursor here. The price action hit $13,764 and moved down again and entered in the potential reversal zone. And what can be the next move now? Here we can see that the reflection of this chart can be seen up to 2-month chart now. And this is the 2-month chart, and here we have a complete garlet pattern formed on 2-month chart. And you can see the price action has already hit the spike in this potential reversal zone, and now it can take the bullish divergence to hit this sell zone from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci. This is so much perfect a garlic pattern. If you see all the dimensions, X to A initial leg, A to B leg is retraced up to 0.786 Fibonacci, and B to C leg is retraced between 0.382 to 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci, and C to D leg, the final leg is retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci again. And now we can expect the bullish divergence at any time, which can lead the price action to hit the 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci of A to D Fibonacci projection. And that area, the price level can be where the price action can go and hit can be between $10,121 up to $16,360. Here we have some more bullish signals received on the week chart. Here you can see on the week chart, the 100, the price action is hitting at the 100 simple moving average. And after hitting at the 100 simple moving average, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD, again is turning bullish. And now at this time, it has turned very strong bullish. We have even received a bull cross from the moving averages of the MACD, and the histogram of the MACD is also turned strong bullish in dark green, you can see here. So we have received this very strong support and a very strong bullish signal from the MACD. Therefore, this bullish divergence, for me, this bullish divergence is 99.9% confirmed, and it is really very difficult for the price action to break down this support. And other bullish signal which I have received is on the day chart. You can see uh, this is a very soft shape or wave down and wave up move is very soft. It can be a cup and handle formation cause as much the price action will move softly to form the body of the cup as much the pattern will be confirmed. Like here we have a wave down and wave up very softly. There is no hard corner or V shape. This is the U shape and very round shape. So now the price action can form a handle of this cup very soon. Here we have the resistance of the cup at $9,819. So far, the price action went very close to this resistance, but it can be repelled from this area, or maybe it will give another spike to hit that resistance. But it can also move down or have a pullback without hitting this resistance and have a pullback. And here it can form a down channel or it can also form a bull flag or pennant as well. So it can be like this zigzag move, and after that it will take a bullish divergence and it will break out this channel or pennant or bull flag, whatever it will form in the future. It will have a breakout from the resistance, and after that it will definitely break out the resistance of the cup as well. And once it will be entered in this area and it will have a breakout from this 0.786 Fibonacci, then the Bitcoin can form or it can achieve the highest price ever in the history of the Bitcoin, because this is a very big hurdle. 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D lag, it can be a very strong resistance for the price action. Once the price action will be moved up and the candlesticks will be closed above this level, then we can see that the price action of Bitcoin can achieve the highest price ever in the history of the Bitcoin. And if we see the history of the Bitcoin, Bitcoin has always been giving us the higher than the previous highs. So like last time in 2017, it has given us the highest price ever in its history. So at this time, it can also give us the highest price in the price of the Bitcoin's history. Uh, in this situation, what would be our stop loss for me? The stop loss can be 200 moving average on the week chart, and you can also use the 100 moving average on the week chart as well. Because 200 simple moving averages very down, it is almost at $5,200. But as much reward you're seeking for, you should be ready for the risk for that reward as well. So if you are setting your stop loss at 100 moving average, no problem. It is also a very strong support cause. 100 simple moving average is not broken since 2015. So this is the fourth year that this moving average is not broken down. So you can use this 100 simple moving average as your strong support. It was broken down for a while here in 2019, but it moved up again. So it is a really very strong moving average. You can also make this 100 simple moving average as your stop loss. I hope you like the video. Do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe it so far. Take care. Goodbye.